This right here is the youre GA11 Pro Max. Check out that display, guys. So rich in color and beautiful. So youre went all the way out for this device. You have a metal body design here, which means this phone is going to last for a very long time. And right now, it is the most affordable smartphone that comes with an 8 gigs of RAM and a big 128 gigs of internal storage. And at a price that you don't even need to break the bank or make a hole in your pocket. And for the first time, a brand puts together beauty and performance and also durability into one smartphone that costs only 85,500 naira or 140 US dollars. So for my Xiaomi users out there, let's see how you beat this smartphone. And it should probably be the best budget smartphone of 2022. You get a 48 megapixel camera lens, a wide display that consumes all media content, and the MediaTek Helio G80 gaming processor. This is beyond dreams. And you also have an infrared thermometer, which might come in very handy, to measure body temperature or the temperature of an object. So for the unboxing experience, this is the same retail box you get when you buy this smartphone. Thanks to Banggood for sending this device and also made easy to buy this smartphone. And right now, Banggood is currently having their Spring Sale Festival, which means you have a 70% off whatever product you get from Banggood. And this smartphone is not an exception. So check it out after watching this video and be sure to enjoy the huge discount. Banggood is an online store that offers you everything from different categories. The link is in this video description. So inside the box, you get an envelope that houses the SIM ejector pin. And inside the envelope, you have the manual for the device, a transparent TPU case, and then you have a 10-watt fast charger and the USB-C cable for charging and connectivity. And that's all you get from the box. No earphone and no pre-applied screen protector. You get everything you need to get started using this device. So this is what the A11 Pro Max looks like fresh out of the box. You have a solid metal frame on this device and a glass body. It is not a 2.5D curved glass, which means it is completely flat with an excellent appearance. It looks premium with an aging-made glass on the back, and it attracts fingerprints easily, but it feels so comfortable in the hand. Seeing this smartphone for the first time, especially this color, you get attracted to the huge camera bomb that is behind this smartphone. It's a triple camera combination, and you have the infrared thermometer sensor, which usually is found on rugged smartphones, but it's a plus here on the A11 Pro Max. Okay, back to the design of this phone. This is the mist blue color, and I prefer it. It's more attractive than the frost gray. For the external features, you have a USB Type-C at the bottom, a speaker grill, the microphone, and a 3.5 jack for headphone. The top of the phone is clear. Then you have the volume up and down rocker at the right, with the fingerprint sensor that is also the power button. The fingerprint unlock is not too fast, but it is okay. And I don't see it as a major downside here on this phone. It is fine. You can also set up a face unlock too, but compared side by side to the Note 11 Pro, it's not the fastest. Then on the left is the SIM and the memory card slot. You also have a customizable button on the side. What you're seeing is a 6.8 inches IPS display. It's almost 7 inches, but the Note 11 Pro is taller. They both have a punch-hole camera and they really look alike. This phone sports a Full HD Plus display with an aspect ratio of 20.5:9. Check out this picture quality. It feels like AMOLED with straight looking colors. You have 2460 by 1080p resolution and a wide viewing angle for consuming content on YouTube. This screen is also ideal for gaming, thanks to the Helio G80 gaming processor and the Mali G52 MC2 graphic chip that is backed up with an 8 gigs of RAM. Yes, you have a gaming processor here, but it doesn't really offer a 100% gaming experience. But instead of lagging behind, it tries to enforce a smooth gameplay, resulting to a slight rise in temperature, but not in a way that attracts attention. It's just felt at the back. You have 128 gigs of internal storage and a stock Android version 11. The response is really flexible without any lags. For the battery, it's a 5050 mAh battery capacity with a 10-watt fast charger. It takes an hour to fully charge this phone to 100%, and when fully charged, the battery can last more than a day on a moderate use. Another impressive feature of this smartphone is the camera. It is of course one of the key selling points of this smartphone. You have a 48 megapixel main camera lens that captures very good details, especially daylight. In real life experience, this phone captures a lot of details and has a beautiful color saturation too. And then you have a 16 megapixel ultra wide lens that does a good job too. And lastly, a 2 megapixel macro camera I love the portrait shots, especially for social media posting. So on the front is a 24 megapixel camera lens, and this is what it looks like. I'm currently shooting at 1080p 30 frames per second with all the camera awesomeness. High dynamic range is not missing, and I love the picture quality. So guys, what do you think of the sound coming out from this device and also the picture quality? Let me know in the comments below. On the front, you have a 24 megapixel camera lens that makes a lot of sense in real life. The skin tone is on point and portrait shots are okay. This phone is okay and the performance exceeds the price. The stock Android version 11 here makes up for a simple and smooth experience, and it doesn't contain pre-installed apps or games that will pump in large number of ads. It's simple and accurate. So guys, what are your thoughts about this smartphone? This is the Youre A11 Pro Max. With all of these things going around this smartphone, I think it's going to make a very good competition in the mid-range segment. Okay, let me know what you're thinking about right now. Please like and share this video to help somebody out there make a purchase decision. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please, on your way out, if you're new to my channel and you're watching this video right now, please hit on that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications on my next video. I'll be seeing you guys soon. Kelechi Yoka signing out.